Hey guys, I just got back from vacation a couple of days ago, and it has been raining up a storm on the old homestead here. And needless to say, there is a lot. Uh, anyway, just to get to the point, my garden has exploded, and I'm going to need to do a lot of harvesting. And yeah, it's amazing just being gone a few days how things can transform. Also, all of this rain has been really beneficial, so I got a lot of stuff to do. Can you guys look at this bed? Okay, my beans have exploded. My cabbage. Look. Look at this beautiful cabbage. Oh my gosh. I'm getting close here. Look at this. It's nice solid head. I think this one's about ready. This one's not far behind. I've been spraying them on a regular so I wouldn't be hit by a cabbage worm. My poor bean pods, they are about exploding. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with those. I usually try to get them early. Got some little yellow over here, but all in all, it looks like my green beans are starting to flower again. So we're gonna get some more green beans going here. But I know it's like way crowded in here, but I am so happy about this cabbage. And yeah, are you guys having any issues with this sucker here? What do they call? I think they're Japanese beetles. Yeah, they're chewing on things. Even though I've got my veggies covered, they still seem to find their way in. But the damage is not so bad. Take a look at the squash. They have exploded. Just absolutely exploded. This one is growing kind of crazy out here. Some of them are a bit small, as you can see. But they're now starting to produce squash, which I'm going to have to go in and pull. And I've been spraying the stems with insecticidal soap, and I haven't seen any sign of vine borers, so that's good. I think I'm going to have to tie up my tomatoes because they're kind of heavy. They're heavy, and they're weighing down the vines that they're on. And I actually think it's time for me to harvest these carrots. They've been in here for a minute, and I gotta do something about this lettuce. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I'm a little overgrown here. My area is just bulging with veggies, and I'm seriously happy about that. Let me start over here. So that is my mid-June harvest. Plenty of carrots that I've been waiting forever on because they were so slow to start. Plenty of greens to freeze and saute. A little lettuce that was trying to bolt, but it's still good. Tons of sweet peas. Actually, these are sugar snap peas. Haven't tried to eat what's in them. I just like these sauteed, and they're so good raw. More green beans. I've got tons of them. Into the freezer they go. My one special beet. My golden beets are actually starting to form now, so they'll be ready for harvest pretty soon. And then, yeah, I'm getting yellow squash at least one or two every other, day or so, which is good because that's about, the speed in which we eat our vegetables. We actually eat a lot of vegetables, but we have so many now, and it's just surprising what you can do to feed your family. And I have some left over just to give away. So.